Anything that I can do better, faster, and more efficiently rocks my practice. Everything that I do, whether it's a performance, a dental procedure, each one is a unique piece, and I'm always trying to improve them and to make them better.
My name is Tony Bully. I'm a technical trainer for Straumann, and I'm here in Scottsdale to demonstrate the Straumann CARES digital workflow. I've got with me today CARES intraoral scanner, chairside software, and a chairside milling machine. So we're going to demonstrate the setting it up, scanning a patient, designing a crown, and milling it in-house.
It's a lot of fun learning how to do this.
It's simple. It really is just plug and play, and it just works.
You have this green ring, and you can hear it scanning. You don't have to look away from the patient. You're focusing on the patient.
Right, so you know that it's working.
That is way, wow.
And then it needs to see 5 fingers.
I'm going to show you the actual design software. What it's doing is actually reading all of the adjacent teeth.
That's the actual version of the final product.
Yes.
I'm amazed how fast it is. I bet patients would love to see this. I mean, it really is impressive.
So this is the nice material. It's a glass ceramic material, and that is the finished restoration.
Wow, that is beautiful.
And it's very easy, obviously, as you can see, just polish or staining glaze, no crystallization needed.
Very nice and a nice time saver. I was absolutely blown away by how easy this was. I mean, literally, it's plug and play. It's a game changer. Digital dentistry is not the future, it's today.